Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this VEEKTOMX power bank. VEEKTOMX, nice name, brand name, with built-in cables. And this is the unique thing on this power bank here, because I never seen that feature before. You have the built-in cables included. That's really cool. In this case, it's a 10,000 mAh device. It's possible to become this in 20,000 too, and it is the white version. Of course, you can use other versions in blue or in black as you like. The technology inside is the same. Only the capacity is more if you use the 20,000 mAh version. We have a USB-C portable charger with 5 outputs and light-emitted diode display. External battery bank for our iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy devices and other smart devices too. That means here it comes. The built-in for charging wires. We have a built-in micro SD, no, not micro SD, micro USB cable, a built-in Type C micro, not micro. The micro is the micro USB cable is really cool because this is a loop. You have a handle with the power bank, and it is the function with the loop comes with it included. That's really cool designed. Now the micro USB cable is the loop too. You can use it as loop or you can use it as micro USB cable to recharge your micro USB device. You maybe have a Type C USB device cable, and this is a lightning cable included and USB-A. That means input only. So you have the possibility to use it as an iPhone recharging device, you can use it as an Android charging device, and you use it for all other devices out there, which comes with USB-C and USB-C is, for example, the Apple iPad Pro and others. The cables are compatible with a lot of iPhones, 14, 13, 12, 11 XR, all with the Lightning connection. iPad 2, of course, and Samsung Galaxy devices, tablets, or other smart devices. We does not need to take any charging cables with us. We have a portable charger with 5 outputs, 1 USB-C port, 3 cables, and 1 USB-A port, which can charge 5 devices, reloading simultaneously. With high-speed charging for up to 5 devices simultaneously too. The maximum output, 5 volt, 2.4 ampere, 12 watt per port. We have a non-slip surface and adjustable strap cable design. We free up our hands by hanging the power bank on a handbag or a backpack. Easy to use at any time, and that means portable. You can use it where you like. And an exclusive technology. We have a built-in safeguards protect our device against excessive current, overheating and overcharging, so our devices are safe. We have a multi-protect safety system, ensures a complete protection for us and our device according to CE, FCC and other multiple certifications. You can see this is cool. We have 3 colors are available, with a 10,000 mAh power bank with integrated cables. Built-in LED, Type-C port, USB-A port, iPhone cable, Type-C cable, micro cable, USB-A cable, all in one. Yeah, this is a nice solution. 5 charging devices simultaneously. And 2 ways of input is possible. Type-C input and USB-A input. You can choose what you like. High capacity, it means 10,000 mAh power bank can reload an iPhone 13 2.5 times, an iPad Pro 1.5 times, and Samsung S20, for example, 2 times, and the AirPods Pro 18 times. You can recharge it with only one power bank capacity. And the wide compatibility comes with it. Nearly all iPhones, Samsung, Google, Pixel, Xiaomi, Huawei, Oppo, what you like, iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini, AirPods Pro, audio, small fans, and so many possibilities. And we have a strap cable for easy carrying. And the strap cable is a cable too. Adjustable strap cable designed for easy carrying. We free up our hands by hanging the power bank on a handbag or a backpack. That's really easy. And non-slip surface design with light-emitted diodes. Non-slip means we can handle it better. The surface is really cool. It displays available the power status. If we push on the power button, we can see how much capacity is in it. So this is the 10,000 mAh power bank, USB-A, USB-C, micro USB, iOS possibility. The weight is 250 gram, maximum output is 12 watt. We have a digital display and 5 devices can charge simultaneously. That's a good power bank by VEEKTOMX. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.